You could have the most brilliant ideas in the world, but if your background looks amateur, you've already lost. People click away in seconds.
So let's be honest for a second. Is your background distracting from your message? Is it undermining the quality of your work?
Because a cluttered room or, a messy corner of your apartment, it just screams amateur. It pulls all the focus away from you and your expertise.
But what if you could get that perfect studio quality look in, like seconds, without needing a new space or expensive gear? Well, you can.
It's actually super simple. You just fix the background and suddenly the focus is right back where it should be, on you.
Let me introduce you to the VideoBackGroundChanger. It's this incredibly smart AI tool that gives your videos that clean, polished look they deserve, instantly. No complicated editing required. And this is where the magic really happens. Look at this. You can go from a busy bedroom to a slick, modern studio. Or, hey, turn that chaotic kitchen backdrop into a professional, branded office for your next big call. That's the power of an instant transformation. And the best part? It's ridiculously easy. Seriously, you just upload your video, pick your new background, or just add a nice blur, and then you export. That's it. No green screen, no headache. But it's actually way more than just a background swap. Think of it as your own personal AI editing toolkit.
You can completely remove the background, add that pro-looking blur that everyone loves, or even create a virtual green screen effect for total creative control. You can even generate a totally new AI background from scratch, and then you export the whole thing in beautiful, crisp 2K quality.
And get this, it all works right from your web browser, or even your phone. It's built for creators who are actually creating, not just sitting at a desk all day. Okay, now here's what I think is the smartest part of this whole thing, especially if you're serious about creating content for the long haul. Let's talk about the deal. Aren't we all? That feeling of subscription fatigue is real. $10 here, $20 there, it all adds up and just drains your budget. So check this out. Instead of another monthly bill, for a limited time, you can get lifetime access for a single payment of $149.99. No more subscriptions. You pay just once, and it is yours forever. And that literally means everything. All the features we just talked about, plus all the future updates they release, you get it all with that one payment. It's a one-and-done investment in your brand. So this is your chance to solve this background problem for good. To elevate not just your next video, but every single video you make from here on out. Look, your work is professional. Your ideas are solid. It's time to stop letting something as simple as a messy background hold you back. So, are you ready for that instant studio look? Click the link right now to lock in your lifetime deal before this offer is gone for good.